Are you ready to get even more out of your data storage? The latest update of Open-E JovianDSS comes with a number of features, but today we will focus on the one that lets you create partitions on NVMe disks. After watching this video, you will be able to maximally utilize your NVMes by creating both read cache and write log on a single yet powerful disk. This means less hardware use, less money spent, and more flexibility in allocating your available data storage resources. Let me show you how to configure it.
In the Unassigned Disks section, find the NVMe drive you want to create partitions on. Click on the right, next to the blink option to make partitions, non-data group only. You will see a new window where we are informed that this new function will allow us to create partitions only for non-data groups. Remember that all the partitions have to be created during one session. To take full advantage of the total disk size, we will create all of the partitions now. Simply click the Add Partition button. A new field appears. The partition name is assigned automatically. All we have to do is allocate the appropriate size of our partition depending on our needs. For simplicity, we will create two partitions of equal size. Confirm the procedure with the Apply button. We will create two partitions on the other NVMe disk. Each partition will be used for caching mechanisms of Open-E JovianDSS. In our case, we have managed to use almost the full size of our NVMe disks. For a better overview of the available resources, new partitions will also show up in the non-data group disks section. Now we can go on to create a ZPOL. As usual, we create data groups first. Now we need to use our newly created partitions to create a write log mirror and two single read cache disks. Step number 4, Add Special Group, is also a brand new feature which will be discussed in a separate video along with some of its accompanying features. Point number 5 will be interesting for those administrators of Open-E JovianDSS who use the duplication. If we had more partitions at our disposal, we could also use them here to enhance the duplication. Finish up the ZPOL configuration as usual, and you are good to go. Although read cache and write log devices can be detached from the ZPOL at any time, it must be remembered that it is only possible to delete all partitions from a given disk at once.
Feel free to share your thoughts on this feature or Open-E JovianDSS in general. If you want to be up to date with the latest updates of our software, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thank you and see you next time.